What's up, everybody? Welcome back for another episode of Morning Market Chat. So, I got quite a few things to go over. Got some layoffs that are happening going over. Of course, we all know we got the Baltimore Bridge that collapsed over last night. Oh, my God, I hope everyone survives. I hope no one's not too seriously hurt. But I've driven across that bridge in the past, and that's like 100 feet up in the air. So I don't know. So I really pray that no one got hurt. But so far, it's not looking good. But we're here to talk about markets, and we got quite a few things to cover. I don't know if Cody's going to join us today or not. He is probably at work right now. As you know, he's a young guy hustling, getting his money, getting his portfolio. I know he's up like about 300% on his portfolio in crypto right now. I know myself, I'm up pretty much double on both cryptos and stocks. So we're going to have some fun chatting. But as always, we appreciate you guys joining in. If you guys don't know, this live is sponsored by you guys. So hit that like and subscribe button and help us grow. Our YouTube channel is at 324 subscribers, and we just keep steadily growing. We don't talk a lot of fancy stuff. We just talk about the boring finance stuff. So we really appreciate anybody that's in here. And if you guys want to quickly shout out your questions, comments, or anything, just put it in the chat if you're on YouTube, Twitch, or Facebook, and I will try to get to them. If you're on Twitter, well, I'm sorry, I can't see you guys. So, but we'd really love to have you guys. If you want to quickly chat in the chat or a question, come on YouTube, and I'll try to answer everybody in a timely manner. Ooh, excuse me. But let's go over some basics here. We got the crypto markets back in the extreme greed territory at 83. We have the market cap at 2.65 trillion, up about a little over a quarter of a percent. We got trading volume at 115 billion. Got Bitcoin dominance at 52.1% and Ethereum at 16.3%. We have Bitcoin getting back over 70,000. We have Ethereum still kind of touching that 3,600 mark. We got Solana getting close to 200 again. We got XRP staying strong around 63 cents. We also have Polkadot teasing that $10 range, but it's up about 0.5% on the day. We got Chainlink back over 20, up 4%. We got Polygon up over $1 again, but still down about 0.5% from yesterday. We got Litecoin trying to get back to that $100, but it's down 2.25%. We got Atom holding at $12. And of course, we have down here, we have Quant a little further down at 141, down 2% from yesterday, but up 19% on the week. So definitely, if you've been holding Quant for a long time, like I have, I've been holding it for 3 years. Cody and I have been strong Quant holders, and we really believe in those projects. It's going to do phenomenal. And still right now at a good price target for you guys. Also, want to take a quick look at the stock markets here. Let me see if I can pull up the greed and fear index for the stocks here. But we have the Dow at 39,410, kind of up about a quarter of a percent. We have the S&P up same thing, quarter percent, and we have the Nasdaq up 0.36%. So, everything's still at all-time highs, still growing. It's still cranking out the numbers over there. Let me just see if I can pull up the greed and fear index on stocks. There we go. So right now we have the greed index for stocks at 71. And we have a strong retail investor sentiment going on. We're kind of touching the extreme greed era. So, as you guys know, that's kind of a little bit of a bad sign because when we hit extreme greed, things tend to pull back. But don't know. This is kind of like a new era. We got a lot of crazy things that can affect how the markets will go. We have the election cycle this year. We have all the things going on with Trump. We have all the things going on with the Democrat Party. We have a lot of crazy things going on in the world. And, we also got a lot of crazy things going on just in interpersonal politics across the board there. Got some good news though about where we're headed with crypto, because it seems like we're not even going to touch that top. A lot of people think that right now we're thinking Bitcoin is going to break over a million this cycle. Probably not. But if you're looking in the last year, it's on the right. We went from 27 to like 70. What you're seeing, where you're going to see it is going to be up around here, probably around 90,000 by the time we actually hit the actual bull market over there. Like there's that's probably where we're going to end up going once we get to the rise there. I don't see it breaking 100,000 until after the bull market starts, but I have a feeling it's not going to start this year. We're just kind of going to have a good steady year, not so much a strong year on the markets. But let's go back over as we see Bitcoin's kind of slipping down a little bit. But let's go down to quant, because I just want to keep emphasizing, you guys, I've been dollar cost averaging into this forever, for the last 4 years, and I keep going in this. And right now, let me pull up my portfolio here so I could see for you guys. Right now, my quant bag has increased almost double since the beginning of investing in it. I've been dollar cost averaging in it. And right now, I hold a strong position. It's 9% of my portfolio. However, I will be over this month putting into quant. Like there's no make no mistake about it. I will be putting a good chunk of my dollar cost averaging into quant. Like I'm not gonna sugarcoat for you guys. I will not exit out. Now, the one I will exit out is XRP, but we'll go over that in a minute. But with quant here, it's nice and steady. If we're looking at the all, you see where the all-time high was. We're not even close. And there's a lot of value that has been put back into there. I do like the management of quant itself. I do like the overledger. I like the process. I'm not a fan of CBDCs. Don't get me wrong. I'm not a fan of CBDCs. I don't like that type of control. But I do understand, coming from Wall Street, that the big money is going into this network, is going into quant. So I should put my money into quant, because I may be one step behind those guys, but I'll make money along with them. That's my philosophy. That's one of the main reasons why I'm getting into quant. But they are also tokenizing real world assets. So that could definitely help. I have a moving company. As you guys know, I run 4 businesses, one of them being a moving and logistics company and home services company. And what they do, what tokenizing real world assets will do for that, is going to be phenomenal. It's going to be phenomenal on that market there, because you'll literally get rid of the middleman in all these real estate transactions. You won't have to worry. You won't have to worry about like the title company, the a lawyer doing the transactions and everything. Everything can be done on a blockchain. So I'm thinking that once that goes live, it will greatly change. I do apologize. I'm answering stuff for, as you guys can tell, I'm in my office for my business, so I'm answering stuff as I'm trying to talk to you guys. So as you guys know, we do it live. But we have once that tokenization of real world assets happen, everything can just be registered to a blockchain, which is way more secure than for what we have right now. Because as you guys know, there's been a lot of people who are property holders and are landlords. There's a big scheme going on where people are hacking into the title office's archaic computer systems, and putting their name on the titles and selling it out from under the person that actually owns it. So it's a pretty intricate and devious scheme, and tokenizing real world assets will avoid that, because you can't change the blockchain without getting all the validators to change it for you. So it's kind of going to make it a little bit more secure. Now, as we go back to the topic of XRP, I want to let you guys know this is the bull run where I'm going to be exiting out of XRP. I have a pretty big position in it right now. Well, compared to my portfolio, it's right now 5%. But if it gets back up to where it was when it had that nice run last year. It'll probably get back to about 7 or 8%, but I have a pretty big position in it. I've been dollar cost averaging in it for the last 2 years, although the last couple months I have not bought any XRP. I consider that bag full. I consider my position on it as closed for a dollar cost averaging, and is primed to get ready to sell it off. Now, the reason why I want to sell it off is because I don't see any more value getting to it after this bull run. So I expect it to get between $3.50 to $5. And once it hits there, I'm exiting out and I'll have some XRP. However, I believe XRP will be the exchangeable currency of the future that we'll probably have to use for all these crypto networks and everything. But I don't think it's going to have more value than that. So with that being said, though, the reason why I'm going to cut my profits is that because I was getting into this at 25 cents. I don't see more growth than $3, and my profit taking is probably going to be at around about 250. I will have made more than enough money off of my position, and I can exit out. And that goes to show you with everything that we do, we don't want to, we do not want to overextend our reach for profits. We don't want to take that risk. I don't want to try to say, oh, we'll go to $10 and then, we're waiting another 4 years for it to happen. I see that I made 5x my money. I'm getting out. But that's probably going to be a lot more, like, probably about like 30x on there. So I don't want to go off. I don't want to lose my profits on there. So I'm going to probably exit out of there. And I know this is going to be short because I'm kind of going through things quickly for you guys because I'm currently on the phone. I see calls coming in. So guess I'm going to have to wrap this up pretty quickly for you guys. But I do want to say though, that on the cryptoverse, like a lot of things, like I'm just dollar cost averaging in. I will be exiting out of projects, and after this bull run, it will just be Bitcoin, Ethereum, Quant, and Dot. That's all I'm going to hold after this. Yes, even Chainlink, I'm probably going to drop. But with that said, guys, let's go over to the stocks. My stocks that I have, I will not be exiting out anytime soon. Right now, I have Bank of America, Walmart, Coinbase, Healthcare Association, AT&T, Apple, Microsoft, and Porch Moving Group. And I'm just steadily investing in all of those. As you guys know, Walmart had a nice little 3-for-1 stock split. So I'm putting a little bit more into Walmart. However, I am thinking about adding Dollar General because where Walmart is exiting, Dollar General is running into there. And it seems like they're going to have a nice run up. I'm not investing in any hype stocks right now. I do like Nvidia. It is a strong company, but the price is just too high right now. I'll wait for a stock split and then I'll get into there, or I'll just wait for the price to correct and then I'll start dollar cost averaging into that project. But with that said, guys, I know it's a short one. I got a lot of calls coming in. I do apologize, but we have a lot of great things going on. Keep in mind, we have American Freight closing stores. We have, Family Dollar closing 1,000 stores. We have Walmart closing some stores. We have Target closing some stores. We have the parent company of Chrysler laying off engineers. We still got more layoffs in the bank industry. We still got more layoffs in the tech sector. And our unemployment's still at 3.9%. So we are going to see that rise probably up to 6% before the economy starts to stabilize. That's how things are going to happen in the real estate sector. I can tell you right now, this year is going to be a boom for real estate, especially with the changes in how commissions are paid, the changes in interest rates. Some interest rates are going down. We got entry level loan programs for people. So this year is going to be a hot year for real estate. I just don't know how it's going to be in the next year, but I do see rent prices also going down as more rental properties are coming to market. So with that, guys said, be safe, be careful out there, and I will see you guys later today with another live. So thank you so much. And we really appreciate all the support. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little morning market chat with you guys. Normally we do about an hour and a half, but we got to run. I got out to a late start today because I do my own bookkeeping, so I had to do my books and kind of prepping everything for the end of March. So thank you so much, guys. Really appreciate it. Hit that like and subscribe button. We will see you next time.